Hello everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about the assertions in JMeter. So let's begin. First understand the assertions, then I will show you practically how to add assertions in JMeter. What is assertions? In JMeter, assertions are used to compare the expected result, what we want the response to be, while the actual results, what the server actually sends back. If the expected equal to actual results, if the expected and actual results match, the assertions passes, otherwise it fails. This helps quickly identify issues and ensure applications behaves correctly during testing. For example, we expect 200 is 200 is our expected results, but we are getting 500 server error in a response. In this scenario, the outcomes test fails because the actual result is not equal to expected result, because our expected response code is 200, but we are getting the response code from server 500. In this scenario, the test fails because the actual result does not match the expected results. Open JMeter. Let's open the previous request, HTTP request. This is the thread group, and here we just enter the number of threads, wrap-up period, and loop count. Open HTTP request. Here we can change the request name less meter. Now add the assertions by using this request. Right click, add, and then assertions. Here multiple assertions are available. Click on response assertions. Response code assertions, check if the response status code like 200 response is correct or not. Click on response code and click on add. Here enter 200. Let's click on this play button to run the test. Here we are expecting the result. If you add the assertions, by default you are not getting any results, but if the assertions fails, here you will get the error. Here we are expecting the response code is equal to 200. Let's change the value here 200 to 201 for verifying the test. Now here you can view we are getting the failed, and it marks with the red, because let's open this. Here test failed code expected to contain 20, because our expected response code is equal to 200. 201, because we are expecting 201, but we are getting the response from server 200. Let's open this, and here response code is equal to 200. Let's add an other assertions. Here right click on this request, add assertions, and click on response assertions. Click on response message. Set as well, we can verify the response message which is okay, and change here verify response message. Same change here, response assertion name, verify response code 200. Now again run this test, clear this test, click on this. Here test case has been failed because 201 getting change value here in the 201 to 200. Let's again run this test. Here test case has been passed because we are getting the response code 200 and response message okay. Change, we need to enter the here response message, click on add, and our expected response message is okay. Now again run this test. Here test pass because our response message is okay. Change the value here for verifying the assertions okay to OK1 and clear the test and click on the play button. In this scenario, the here it marked failed because our test failed message expected to contain OK1. We are expecting the OK1, but we are getting the response message from server OK. Let's add an other assertion. Click on this and assertion during assertion. During assertions, basically, if I click on this, this is the load time. Suppose you want the page load in 100 millisecond. So we can verify the load time by using duration assertion. Ensure that the request time is not too long with 1000 millisecond. Change here value. Okay, let's again run this test case running, and here we are getting failed because the operation lasted too long. It looks 744 millisecond, but should not. Here we define the response, the page load in 1000 millisecond, but it takes more than 1000 seconds. So test case will be failed because the expected and actual results are not equal. In JMeter same as well, we can verify the size in byte. Size in byte. So right click on this JMeter assertions and click on size assertion. Here multiple options are available. Suppose you want to verify the complete page size, so you will use the full response. If you want to verify the size of a header, so use response headers. And if you want to verify the size of only body, so click on this radio button. Here multiple options are available. You can also verify the response code and response message. Suppose in this scenario we want to verify the full response, and our response size is equal to, click on this, response size is equal to here 172 169, and click on this, click on size assertion. Here change the size assertion, then verify verify size and enter size in bytes here. Let's clear this test and again run this script. Click on view result tree and verify size. This test failed because the result was the wrong size. It was equal to this bytes but should have been equal to 172.169 bytes. Here we enter 172.169 but it's not equal to this bytes. Here multiple assertions are available in JMeter. You can verify the compare the actual and expected results by using these assertions. That is for today's tutorial on JMeter assertions. Help verify the accuracy of responses. Using these checks make your test more reliable. If you found this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to SQ World for more JMeter tips and tutorials.